Hi there, I'm Max with Mr. Plumber. Welcome to our Knowledge Center where we share our technical know-how with you. Let's go ahead and get started on today's topic with one of our pros.
Are you in the market for a new water heater? Tired of paying the repairs on your old one? If you're watching this video, you're considering replacing your water heater and maybe looking for more information on the process or who you should trust with service. Hi there, I'm Mike, the plumbing manager here, and in this video we're going to cover some of the most common water heater replacement questions our plumbers face, including when should I consider replacing my water heater? Should I repair or replace my water heater? The average lifespan of a tank type water heater is 8 to 12 years, but there are also other reasons you might want to consider getting a new one. Visible rust or corrosion on the tank or connectors, indicating a deteriorating unit. Persistent leaks or puddles around the water heater can suggest internal damage. Frequently running out of hot water or notice a decline in water temperature. Strange noises like loud popping, crack, and banging. Sounds from inside the tank could indicate sediment buildup. Any signs of gas leak or electrical problems like trip breakers. And there are others. Should I repair or replace my water heater? When deciding whether to repair or replace a water heater, homeowners should consider several key factors. Is the water heater near or beyond its expected lifespan? Replacement is often more cost-effective in the long run. The extent and cost of repairs are another important consideration. Additionally, evaluate the water heater's energy efficiency and whether a new, more efficient model could result in long-term savings on utility bills. Finally, the water heater has a history of frequent breakdowns or safety concerns. Opting for a replacement may provide peace of mind and ensure a reliable source of hot water. What are your next steps? If you believe it's time to purchase a new water heater, these should be the steps that you take. Request free estimates. Get plumbers to come out to your home and perform a complete system evaluation, and provide the water heater options based on your usage and your budget. Finally, settle on a quote. Try to consider more than just the price. The cheapest option is not always the best. Once you have a quote from a company you like, schedule your water heater installation date. If you are ready to schedule an estimate or a second opinion on a new water heater, give us a call. Fill out the schedule service form on our website, and remember, when you need us,
call Mr. Plumber, night or day.